Hi, Max, German Japanese car, 15020 Oxnard Street, Sherman Oaks, California, 91411. Call or text 310-804-4185. Meter beating eBay. Exact same item machine plus this video. 2012 Audi A3 S-Line rear bumper and bumper reinforcement, $150. Factory white. 2012 Audi A3 S-Line rear bumper complete with reinforcement, $150. I take credit cards and ship. I do installation and repair. Check me out at maxsgermancar.com or my YouTube channel, the Max Brakeman channel. I'll meter beat any eBay price for the exact same item with shipping posted before this video. 2012 Audi A3 S-Line rear bumper factory white and rear bumper reinforcement, $150. 310-804-4185. Call or text 310-804-4185. Thank you.